Okay, this video is about doing barbecue chicken out in the boondocks. Okay, I think I paid about $1.50 for this. This will do about 4 meals. It comes with the the barbecue bags, which you just basically just throw your chicken in there and the mix, kind of like shake and bake. It's only like $1.50. I can do about 4 meals that way, and I'm using a toaster oven. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, basically. Let me show you outside, just to show you. I'm camping out in the national forest. So, yeah, that's my campsite. And you can eat nicely and inexpensively out in the boondocks. But you need, a gas generator. That's just a small portable gas generator. Okay? It's a 2,000 watt. Very small, has a handle. You can see all the controls there. Very light. It's about 40 pounds. Well, it's light for me anyway. So when I'm traveling, I just put that inside the RV. Okay, so that runs my air conditioner if it's really hot, right there. And it runs my toaster oven if I want to bake, or I want to have toast or pizza and all that kind of stuff. I got this at Walmart. I did another episode on this particular toaster oven. It was only like 20 bucks from what I recall. It was unbelievable. Okay, that they could sell a toaster oven, But anyway, the typical stuff I bake in this, pizza's 25 minutes, and that costs to run the generator for 25 minutes, I figured out runs about 25 cents. It's not much. Now to do chicken, and I'm doing baked potatoes also. So the baked potato, it's going to be about an hour. I put the baked potato in first for half an hour, and then I put the chicken in after that. So an hour is only 40 cents of gasoline, to run the gas generator. That's all it costs. And you could do this out in the middle of nowhere. I'll just show you. Now what I do is, though, for the potatoes to cook a little quicker, I peel them and then I cut them. I cut this potato in 3 sections. Okay? And you can see it's cooking up real nice. So I'm going to be taking this out in about, let's see, according to about another 10 minutes. Okay? All I do is I add about a cup of water, quarter stick of butter in that, and like I say, I use this shake and bake mix, which is super cheap. So this meal is probably about $1.50 total, to make a nice barbecue chicken and baked potato meal. $1.50 for all that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that episode. Just shows you can have